Hi, I'm Claudia from Cake4Three. This is a very quick tutorial on how to make a super tasty chocolate cake with berry jam. I made this cake for the end of the self-defense training season. It's super easy to realize. List and weights of ingredients in the description. Turn the oven on at 175 in static mode. Prepare two 15 cm diameter baking trays moistened with cake release agent and line the bottom with baking paper. Prepare and weigh all the ingredients, list and weight in the description. Sift the chocolate and melt it in hot water. Add the vanilla. Add the oil and milk and mix. Divide the egg whites from the yolks. Place the egg whites in the planetary mixer. Add the salt. Beat the egg whites until stiff. When they start to swell, add the sugar. When the egg whites and sugar are well whipped, add the egg yolks, one at a time. Add the sifted flour and baking powder to the chocolate mixture. Add the whipped eggs to the flour mixture several times, being careful not to dismantle them. Mix gently, from bottom to top. Pour the mixture equally into the two cake molds. Mix with a toothpick to make sure there are no air bubbles. Cook for 35 minutes. Remove from the oven after testing with a toothpick and leave to cool. After 10 minutes, remove the cake bases from the cake pans. Mix the cheese with the vanilla flavoring and sugar separately. Melt the chocolate in a bain-marie or in the microwave and let it cool slightly. While waiting for it to cool down a little, you can start cutting the bases of the cakes in half. Add the melted chocolate to the cheese and mix. Whip the cold cream from the fridge until stiff. Add the whipped cream to the cheese and chocolate mixture several times, being careful not to break down the cream. Place the acetate film around the cake. Fill the cake, first with a layer of jam, then with the mousse, and finally another layer of cake. Continue in this way until all the layers are completed and finish with a layer of mousse. If you can, keep some mousse aside to prepare the chocolates, in case you don't use the purchased ones. Put it in the fridge and let it rest overnight. Prepare a chocolate ganache with 50 grams of cream and 100 grams of dark chocolate. You can make it by heating everything in a bain-marie or by melting it for 30 seconds in the microwave and then mixing with a spoon. Cover the cake and let it rest in the fridge for an hour. If the cake is not super straight, you can do a second layer of ganache. Prepare the chocolates with the leftover mousse or buy them ready-made. Watch my tutorial on chocolates to see how to prepare them and how to prepare the sugar paste decorations. With sugar paste, I reproduced the logo of the self-defense course, interspersing it with chocolate hearts and sugar paste hearts. I also placed a sugar paste cord at the base of the cake to finish it off. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please click on the like below or subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you are interested in more content of this type, and eventually what you would like to see. If you know anybody interested in this type of content, feel free to share. Thank you again and stay tuned for my next videos.